In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account without using a phone number, and it's all going to take just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can get set up quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate to the PayPal website by typing in the URL www.paypal.com in your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you're going to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign up button. Go ahead and click that button to begin the process of creating your account. Now you'll be presented with an option to choose the type of PayPal account you want to create. If you're planning to use PayPal for everyday personal transactions, select Personal Account, and then click on the Get Started button to proceed. The next screen will ask for some basic information. You'll need to provide an email address that you can access easily, as well as create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and secure, featuring a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and perhaps a special character or two. After that, fill in your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and current address. Once you've completed that section, you'll be directed to a screen with a lot of small print, which are the terms and conditions. Take a few moments to glance through these, and if everything looks good, click on Agree and Create Account to move forward. At this point, you should receive an email from PayPal containing a verification link. Check your email inbox and maybe your spam folder just in case for this email. This is an important step to confirm your email address is valid and operational. When you locate the email, go ahead and click on the verification link provided in it to confirm your email address with PayPal. For many, creating a PayPal account ends here, but if you plan on using PayPal for sending money, you might want to link a bank account or debit card, although this step is optional. Linking a bank account will make transferring money to your PayPal balance easier and will often come in handy for both sending and receiving funds. And there you have it. You've successfully created your PayPal account without needing to provide a phone number. Remember, PayPal offers a convenient way to send and receive money securely, so take a moment to explore its features once you're logged in. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Have a great day.